Alright everyone, now I'm going to teach you how to edit visual diagram or presentation in Canva. So first you're going to put in the search box visual presentation or diagram free. You have to add free so that you can use those free templates, especially for students, teachers, and those who have presentations in their workplace. All right, so there is a lot and vast of options that you have here. As you can see on the bottom left part of each template, there's a little crown. That means that's not free, but if it doesn't have a crown like this, it means it's free and you can use it without subscribing or paying in Canva. But if you use Canva most of the time, then you can subscribe. I think $10 or below, I'm not sure, maybe you can look it up. But here we go. So I click the use the template and it directed me to this page after I click the use the template, and I'm going to make a simple visual or diagram today. So I'll be clearing out some of the boxes that I don't need, because I think I'll be using two presentations. So as you can see, I'm clearing them, and sometimes it's just happen like that, but you can click X. Okay, you can actually choose a lot of them, not just individually if you want to delete them by group. So you'll just have to draw a box like that using the arrow to delete them. Alright, now you can also, aside from deleting, you can also move them by group. And like in other options or other platforms where you have to move them individually. But in Canva, it's very easy because you can actually move them by group or all of them, adjust them. You don't have to adjust them individually, and that's the advantage. Alright, so as you can see, I'm typing. I click the box and then type the text right there. It's very easy and it's a user-friendly website. You can also make it large, the box. There you go. You can click that, move to your desired position, and then you can also make it bigger if you have a larger amount of text. And there we go. Move in. Now let's add some text because it looks unbalanced. So we're going to add text in on the left side of the paper. Alright, there you go. Then on the upper corner of this page, you can actually adjust the text, adjust it to any desired text that you want. And then after that, you can change the name to your desired title, and then you can save it in your computer, download, or you can make a public view with it using the link. And yeah, there's so many options in Canva. Either save to your computer, download, or make a link out of it. Then you can share it to your coworkers, and